what is going on? I am happy once again. I don't know if you saw in the last episode, or I'm not sure how this is all going to come out, but I changed the cabin air filter for my WRX, and I'll throw up a quick clip of how it looked before. Look at that. If that isn't bad. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that dust. Jeez. Like, it was so bad. It was so caked in with so much crap. It's not even funny. It was so bad. And replaced it. This is the first time I've gone for a drive with a new filter in, because when I'm recording this, I actually filmed that yesterday. I haven't driven the car for probably over a week now. I started it up like a couple of days ago just because it's been sitting for a while. But I'm finally driving the car because of the lockdown laws. I haven't been able to, but because I have to go home and do some stuff, or to my old house to fix some stuff up, that counts, that I'm able to, that I need to fix. So I'm allowed to for that. But yeah, so it's so good. I told I noticed the handling of the car. Wow, it's quiet. Jesus, no cars are out. I tell you what I've noticed. The handling of the car is really light. I don't know, it's really weird. Maybe because I haven't been driving it for over a week. Maybe that's why, because I'm a bit out of touch with it. But like the steering, like I'm so disconnected. Before the steering wheel was heavy, but now like it's really light, and I don't feel like I'm connected to the car like I was before. I don't know if that's weird, but like when I'm steering or changing gears or whatever, or even accelerating, like it's so light I can barely feel it. I don't know, I think it's all with my head, because I haven't driven it for a while. So, but it is so good to be back in the car. Even though like I'm enjoying it, and I'm on low boost at the moment. Even high boost isn't much, but it's enough for me. On low boost, I'm just cruising. I haven't even full throttled it yet. But I love it. Like, it's so good to be back in the car. But yeah, so I did the air cabin filter. Massive difference. It is the actually air that's coming out. One, it's colder, which is weird, I think because of all the crap that was in it. And two, it is so fresh, because before it was stale. It smelled like a dying cat or a dead cat, something disgusting. I haven't smelled a dead cat before, but I'm sure it's not good. But yeah, so now it's fresh air, and I'm so happy with it. I have noticed actually a couple of days ago, or when I actually did an unboxing for all the parts that I'm getting, the spark plugs and stuff like that, when I had it, I was like, well, the car's not really playing up, so I don't think it'll make much difference. As soon as I said that, the next day, because I recorded that part a couple of weeks before, but with that, a couple of days later, it started playing up. It was a bit jolty, the car, it was really acting up. So I think it'll be good to have to put the new spark plugs in, because before I didn't think it would do anything, but I think it will, because it is acting up a little strange. But yeah, anyway, so that's it for that. I just wanted to throw in a clip of me just explaining where I'm at with the car and how it's feeling and that sort of thing. And I didn't think it would make that much of a difference getting the new air cabin filter, but it actually did. It made a big difference. Before it was stale air, and it didn't feel like, it wasn't fresh, and it wasn't as cold, but now it's definitely cold. Maybe it's a colder day, but still, it's definitely a lot colder than it was before. So I'm happy about that. And hey guys, what's going on? It's another day. I'm actually gonna finally got some stickers in for my car. Or I got two, but I think they forgot to put in the second sticker. Or they did, and they'll get that sorted real quick. But so I got a sticker from Sticker Boost, and I actually got a discount code for you guys. I think 15%, and the code is that Wrx. I'll have it there on the screen, and also I have a link in the description as well, so you can get stickers made for your car. Because I know everyone wants stickers on the car with their Instagram handle and that sort of thing. And they got a lot of other stickers as well. They got keychains and stuff as well, so they got all sorts of stuff. If you have a look, I'm sure you'll find something that you'll wanna buy. Alrighty, so I'm obviously gonna put the sticker here now. So I'm just gonna wipe this down. Make sure there's no rubbish and stuff. That way the sticker stays on as long as possible. Should probably do the whole screen since I'm at it. That's strong. Open the car, open the garage, I should say, just to air it all out. So what I'm going to do, there's the line here in the centre of the rear window here, windscreen, whatever you want to call it, and I measured before that's the centre, so I'm just going to line this up, the centre of the sticker to the centre of that, just to make sure that it's even and that sort of thing. So I've got that. I got a bit of tape as well at the top just to hold it in place, just so I can make sure that it's right. Just got some more tape to go along the whole side of the sticker, because you sort of want to use this as a levering point just to make sure it's all in the right spot. Let's go up a bit higher on this end. Yeah, that looks about right. So now I'm going to flip this up. I'm going to just making sure it's not lifting up the letters. Alrighty, so that's off. Now I hope that sits down properly. It's got my good old Flybuys card. Crap. Yeah, don't do what I do. Yep, that's horrible. Don't do what I do. Obviously don't know what I'm talking about. Or don't know how to do this. I'm sure everyone's cringing right now what I'm doing, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. And you want to get this down hard, so when you're lifting it back up later, that it doesn't peel off. I'm waiting to get a sticker for ages. I think that's alright. Now I'm just going to peel this up, and you want to slide it back over itself so you have minimal. Let's take this off. So you have minimal way of screwing it up. It's nice and easy. just go over and push it back down. I'll push it down just to make sure it's hard against the window. It's probably, oh, I know there's a better way of doing this, but I don't know what it is. I'm sure there is. Out there, just make sure like there's no edges lifted and that sort of thing. Hope it's centered. Yeah, it's centered. Looks pretty straight as well, so I'm happy. I'm very happy with that actually. As you can see, that's it there. Looks very nice. It looks level and it's centered as well, which is awesome. So that's it there for that sticker. Pretty simple to install. Just don't screw it up like I did. And like I said, there is a discount code that I'll put it in the description down below. That way you can have a look at the stickers for custom ones that you can do, or ones that are just generic and you can have all different types of stickers. So that's sort of how it is. Looks very nice. Actually, there's I actually put one before, like a while ago, but I ordered it in black by accident. I don't know if you can see that. You can just see that. I had it in black. I ordered it wrong, but so that's why I bought two white ones. So I think there's a bubble there, so I'm just gonna air that out. Yeah, it's pretty good. So that's it there. I actually got something else to show you guys as well. I actually got this as a present from one of my mates. It's a bit of carbon fiber sort of wrap. So I'll show you this. Let me open it up and I'll show you. Alright, as you can see, I got the carbon fiber here. It's a wrap. Probably got to let it sit out for a while because all these creases probably destroyed it, to be honest. But so that's the carbon wrap. I'm actually thinking either to get it for my mirrors. So I got enough to do a bit. That makes sense. To do the mirror covers, or let me just. I was actually thinking to do the surround parts of like the interior. So like all the silver trim that's there, all along there, and then around here as well. Obviously it's not an STI, it's a WRX. I don't really like when people say it's an STI when it's a WRX, even though I've got an STI wing, but it doesn't say STI on it. But that's what I'm thinking, to cover all this in that wrap. That way it looks better than what it is. So like around here, and then also around that one as well there, and then maybe even on the door card if I have enough. I probably don't, but I'm definitely want to get rid of like the silver and get rid of this. I reckon that'll look nice in that carbon fiber sort of look. So let me know what you guys think, if I should do that or not. But that's definitely what I'm looking forward to. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button down below. Subscribe as well for future content as well, so you can see what else happens with my WRX, all the issues that I arise in and that sort of thing. And let me know if you guys have any tips on regarding that carbon fiber, if you use something like that before, if there's something I should do, or is there a way that I can fix it so that it's not got all the creases and stuff. There's a way that I should just let it rest, or what should I do? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, see you in the next one.